see what. Ooh, hear that? Look at that. Let's see what mom is buying. What you buying, mom?
Onions.
Some onions. Mom is getting some onions, and what else?
And some carrots.
And some carrots. Carrots, yes. That's mom doing her shopping. It was sunny when we left the house, and then all of a sudden it started raining, and then now it's sunny again. Mandeville is putting me in mind of England. I don't like that. I don't like. Papi, I don't like. No. But that's okay. Anyways, guys, I just want to give you a little snippet. At the moment, I'm stationed. So I'm not moving as yet. But hopefully, I just want to catch some jokes in the market. But I'm not catching any jokes right now. But stay tuned. Okay. You know you're on camera. You know it's on camera. Oh, sweet. Alright, YouTube. Thank you, YouTubers. Thank you for tuning in. Later.